Good morning, guys. So today we are going to country. There's a grave digging, so you're going to see my grandma. You guys saw my great grandma 2 days ago or 1 day ago. I know I called them both grandma, so it's a little bit confusing, but this is my grandma, my mom's mother. So we're gonna go to country. Mom's here and we're gonna go to a grave digging. I'm just wearing this top from House of Elegance, so it's shophouseofelegance.com. It's so comfortable. Jeans are from American Eagle. You guys know I only wear American Eagle jeans. Hat is like a Yankee hat, and then I'm just wearing some Vans.
The price, you don't really know the price.
Let's take up one right and put it on back. Price
now 50 or 6.
You like the one that put
100 the lowest we have.
We'll find one really one.
Yeah, if we really want to right, hold it on.
Wait, you ready for your picture? All right. Oh, look how you look handsome.
Oh, look.
fantastic.
Guys, we are in the bus about to go to the country. Mom's reading her mirror for the daily news. It's so hot, guys. I'm sweating everywhere. It's hot. But we're on our way to country to see grandma. Oh, here's the town. You guys can see a little bit of the town.
To my homeland, no water, high tax and gunman. Move forward from abroad, time God, she know we no better than yard.
Guys, we are. Mom, say hello to the people.
Bye. Not hello. Bye.
We're going to my old school here. Dang, it looks so much nicer. What was I saying? Yeah, we're going to my old school. I might see my godson Gio, and then we're gonna see my old basic school teacher. Mom, what? They're having no son. Yo, the school is so much nicer. I gotta take a picture. So this is the school. Ooh. So guys, we just left the school. It's so nice. They have like a computer room, a library. It's so nice.
Eva, you're a workless man.
Oh, you pass me also.
You know when Jesus Christ. Eva, no sir. No sir.
Yeah, to be honest, it's you.
How are you? Eva, say you're bad. But you're talent test down pan.
Then me drop the whole high school over there, so.
Guys, I'm here with my grandma.
You're going to look for him before you come over here.
I'm with my great grandma. Say hi to the people. Hi to the people. We're going to a grave digging. You know the person? Who is it?
It's Joyce.
Oh. Y'all were good friends? Y'all were good friends? Good friends?
Yes.
It's so nice. The school is beautiful. Who's this?
Manly.
Manly?
Why didn't I come back?
Oh, I know him.
You know him?
Yeah. Hi, how are you?
Yes, man. Nice
to see
yeah,
you.
Man. Nice to have my family there, Jamaica again.
Always. We're large. Bye. Aye.
What can I tell you? Yes. Yes.
They chat me and then they
No,
chat
I talk you.
They chat me. Sophina, they chat me. Sophina,
I didn't hear, to be honest.
Sophina, they chat me.
I didn't hear. I wasn't paying attention. You know I would tell you.
I'm very, they chat me.
No, sir.
Why always
take up 10 black power. Yo, mama said it's a man who work at night, you know, and you
So this is for oh, it has to be smooth. Yo, it's so funny.
What last one you just say? What's that mean taking picture?
Alright, I will see the argument. I will see the argument.
You can't tell me, Jake. You say I'm Jake.
You see me talking about it?
Hi.
I say, what you say, take me my minute. What's up with the argument? What's up with the argument? So I tell you, no. Around this. They say, don't you buy it? Oh, Jesus Christ. Let me hear the argument. Hector! Kaki! Kaki! One kaki, one kaki.
Ay, boy.
One kaki, one. Robin.
Watch out, Joe.
Oh, yes, sir. Oh, no, sir.
One ring drop out. Kaki!
Ooh, ooh, get it.
Kaki! Eka! Turn up here, turn up here. Turn up here, turn up here. Hey, hey!
Grandma, what is okay? Yes. Oh,
Greetings, send greetings.
you don't have no family abroad? You have family abroad?
Yeah, but yeah, me have a brother foreign.
All right, send him a message.
Your friend you know say you catch it.
Listen.
Brisset.
Brisset? Brisset?
Listen, England there.
Oh, send him a message.
Well, the only message you can, you give thanks alive.
Exactly.
Give thanks alive, my brother still there.
It's true. Amen.
No, thank you. No, I don't want your thanks. Give me family and more chance.
Come when you're here.
Like a week.
You want a fork, a spoon, or a straw to eat the thing.
Mommy,
Fork, a spoon, or a straw.
mommy, fork, spoon, or a straw to eat the pork? Fork.
Fork, spoon, or a straw you need.
Pick the straw.
I love you. Girl.
Mom, separate.
Yes. Grab this thing for me.
You don't have no seafood?
Any seafood?
Yeah.
Not at this time.
You want to shout yourself out?
No problem, baby.
Okay, go ahead.
You have no style.
You're not going to shout yourself out?
No style.
What do you mean he don't have no style? Look how he just cut that bread in one chop.
Hey. How many are going? Going? It costs a little more than going.
Grandma doesn't want nothing? Grandma, you want food? You want me to get you food? You want food before we leave?
We love you, girl.
Come get something now.
Hey, chicken man. What going, police?
Grandma, what do you want to eat? I'll buy it for you. I'll buy it for you. Get something.
Give me the money.
No.
You love money too much.
Grandma said, give me the money.
Buy something, get something to eat. You love money too much. Give me money, Sophia.
No, the food.
You want beside pork?
Get some food.
Give me beside pork.
Yo. What you want? The legal time.
Yeah, money. All the time running.
Mommy then just see me a road and take good care of me and take care of them.
Guys, we are leaving the grave digging. Mom got pork. Grandma got pork. Grandma, you wanted the money. You didn't want your granddaughter to buy you food? Oh, goodness. Huh?
Come on.
Grandma, you shouldn't starve yourself. Now I'm going to fret on you when I'm in America. Driving. I'm going to be like, oh, God, did Grandma eat? Yes, because you're not eating.
Everyone I'm picking come before me.
But Grandma, you have to eat.
One day they eat. They eat, man, they eat.
But why you didn't want to take the pork? It's nice, it's sweet?
Yeah, well, I eat it.
No.
I eat it, let me come and see.
What, the goats?
I back there, my back in the fella, you know. But about safari. No, I'm about safari.
Guys, we are at Grandma's house. Mom, you okay? Yeah, it's true.
Are you good?
Guys, we are at Grandma's house. We are at Grandma's house. Chillaxing. Look at the goat, guys. Lord. Grandma, so they can jump? Hello.
So, can I put the sweets up on you?
Let me see him jump over.
Go. Get out.
Ooh. Guys, we are in country.
Go on, then pull on your shop.
Look at Grandma's kid goats, chickens, and all that stuff.
Cut it again, yes. Yeah, that's why we get them to go on. The next one, map. I know.
I may push them off the time. So they know come on.
Some fish careful.
All right.
Yeah, man,
we
no
got
problem.
you. Say hi.
Yeah, hi. Glad
Oh,
to
I
see
have a
you.
message for you too.
You have a message for me.
Yeah, this lady said she wanted you. I'm gonna find the message and show you her.
Sure.
All right.
We're
So I had to put you back on camera.
Yeah, no problem.
All right.
Yeah, and I'm glad to know that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
Yes.
gonna find out for me. Want
Leisha didn't tell you?
I need it. I need it. You know?
Nice, nice.
Nice. Yeah, no problem.
All right. So you'll come to the house.
Yeah, I gotta come to the house.
All right. Sounds good.
So take care.
All right. You too, Jomo. Thank you.
Glad to see you.
You too.
Me love it, me love it. Me love the juggling. All the one foot mother dance. So do no troubling. Yo, never make up a face. No need mugging. Good vibes in the place. No one watching. Long time so when I feel like this, you mean like this. The bean well clean, so fresh. Oh yes, so blessed. Here we live one job. Make the place right roll.
Guys, I look crazy. I've been eating. I had Guinness. Now I'm having cane. Why does my face look like that? Now I'm having cane. I just ate dinner. Like you guys saw, I had yellow yam and yeah, it was dinosaur. Mom, plug it in. Oh. I had yellow yam and bonita. And now I'm eating cane, a bag of cane. I've literally eaten cane every day. And we're just chilling on the veranda. Madge is supposed to come. We went to go visit her new store. She has a new store in town. But I didn't vlog because we were catching up and we were talking about personal stuff, so you guys will see her again. But yeah, today I tried to vlog better. I hope you guys like, you know what I mean? I hope you guys think I vlogged better today. I'm getting back in the vlogging mood. But I will see you guys when my aunt comes. She's coming from work tonight, she said, so yeah. Say hello.
Come out of family affair too jumpy.
What did what did King Pow make you do today? You tired? You cannot fit a saw zero.
So now when you leave, Barbie, so when you leave.
The 20. Hold on, let me look at my calendar. Am I gonna see her?
No.
Hi Barbie, Happy New Year's, beautiful. Hello. Barbie, you don't see Alicia cut off the voice note, but anyways, have a Happy New Year. I love you. Stay safe. May God cover you in every step that you take. Amen. What do you think?